Today, we will be learning how to open a .ipynb file in Google Colab, save it, and then submit it on Canvas. As our example, let's look at the coding packet, which we can find in week 4. If we scroll down to activities, we see the coding packet. We can click on it to download the coding packet, which is a .ipynb file, or IPython notebook file. After the file is downloaded, click on the link for Google Colab, which is colab.research.google.com. You will open up this site. You can either click on a new notebook to start a new notebook, or if you want to upload the .ipynb file, click Upload and choose File. Find the downloaded file on your personal computer. Click on it and open it. Now, welcome to Google Colab. This is a quick look at the coding packet that you will be doing for this class. We'll take a little bit of time to see how to open a text cell as well as a code cell, the two types of things you'll be editing with in Google Colab. Note that the problems that you will need to complete are embedded inside of this coding packet. To answer them, for example, the first question asks you to create a text cell. So to answer that problem, you create a text cell right in the Google Colab notebook, and you can begin to edit. Here, you can execute a code cell by pressing the play button to the left of the cell. The answer, or the executed code, comes up below the cell. Make sure that you execute all of the code cells before you submit the coding packet or any Colab file for this course. Let's look at problem 2, which asks us to create a new code cell in order to answer this problem. Again, you can create this code cell right in the Colab notebook. I can write some code. Now, this code that I'm writing, hello world, is not the answer to problem 2, but it's an example of how I can create a code cell, start writing it, and executing it right in the coding packet. When you're done and ready to submit your Colab file, make sure that all of your code cells have been executed. You can then save the Colab file by clicking on File and Save. You'll also, for this class, need to save the file as a PDF, which I show here. Click on File, Print, and then you'll see a Print dialog box. Make sure the destination is to save as a PDF. Now, not everyone's print dialog box is going to look exactly the same. Depending on the type of computer you have, some might look slightly different than what's shown here, although they should all have this feature. If you have any trouble with this, please reach out to your TA for help. Within the PDF, you can see the cells that we've executed and the answers to those code cells. That's why you want to execute all the cells before you turn in your PDF. Otherwise, the TA will not be able to grade the executed part of the code. Once you've saved your Colab notebook as a PDF, you should also create a shareable link to that Colab notebook that you will need to turn into Canvas. To do this, click on the Share button in the upper right-hand corner. Then, change the restrictions so anyone with the link can comment on the Colab notebook. Copy the link and click Done. You are now ready to submit your Colab notebook on Canvas. On Canvas, under Assignments, there should be a link in order to turn in your Colab files. Click on the link and you will see some information about the due date and how to submit your file. When you're ready, click on Submit Assignment. Here, you need to paste the shareable link to your Colab notebook in the comments section of the file upload. Then, find the file, choose the PDF that you saved of the Colab notebook. Once you're ready, click Submit Assignment. Notice that you can resubmit your assignment at any point until the due date. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned a little bit about opening, saving, and submitting your Google Colab notebooks in Canvas for this course. If you have any questions at all, or any problems using Google Colab, please contact your TAs during lab or during the office hours.